Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to pin a message in WhatsApp group. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. Firstly, make sure that your WhatsApp app is up to date. You can update the app in your App Store or Play Store. Now open your WhatsApp. Here, open a WhatsApp group chat where you want to pin a message. Here, scroll through the messages until you find the one you want to pin. When you find it, just tap and hold on to that message. A menu will appear with a list of options, so tap More. You will now see the pin option. All you have to do is tap it. Another menu will appear. You have to select a duration. This is how long you want the pinned message to stay pinned. You can choose between 24 hours, 7 days, and 30 days. So just select a duration. Just like that, your message will be pinned. Note, the ability to pin messages in WhatsApp groups is only available if the group admin has enabled it in the group settings. By following these steps, you can effectively highlight important messages within your WhatsApp group chat, making them easily accessible for all participants. That is how to pin a message in WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.